Hi everyone. Hello guys. So welcome to Easy BTech. Myself Srikant Ganji. In this video, I will discuss the overall structure of electrical machines and electrical machines one subject. Machines are of two types. One is DC machine and another one is AC machines. DC machines are of two types, DC generator and DC motor. And AC machines can be categorized into two types, synchronous machines and asynchronous machines. And synchronous machine, we have a, in this synchronous machine, we have synchronous generator and synchronous motor also. Synchronous motor. Coming to asynchronous machine, we have induction machine, that is induction generator and induction motor also. So one more topic is there in electrical machines, that is transformer. So generally transformer is not a machine, it is a device. The principles which are used in DC machines and AC machines can be used in transformer. That's why this transformer concepts are there in machine subject. What is meant by machine? So from starting onwards, we are discussing machines. So what is meant by machine? That is electrical machine. A machine which converts electrical input to mechanical output or mechanical input to electrical output. We know that energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Energy can be transformed to anyone. And if the machine which converts electrical input to mechanical output, we can say that it is a motor. I will say simply, in our home, the tank is empty, the tank is filled with water, but the sump is there at the ground level. With the help of a motor, we are filling the tank that is there at the top of our building. During this process, we are switch on the motor, means we are giving the electrical input. The output is pumping of water, that is called the mechanical output. Now, a motor which converts electrical input to mechanical output. Suppose if you are going to theaters, suddenly the screen is off. What you will do? Some person came to theater and anyway is already in theater. He switch on the generator. This generator will be on. Generator generates the electricity. That means the output is electrical output, the input is fuel. That means mechanical input. A machine which converts electrical input to mechanical output, then we can say that it is a motor. A machine which converts mechanical input to electrical output, then we can say that it is a generator. And if you take any machine, so either it is a DC machines or AC machines or transformers These are the key points to learn this electrical machine subject. First one is construction and principle of operation. Construction and principle of operation of a machine, and then EMF equation of a machine. EMF equation of a machine. After the machine, types of machine, and then losses in a machine. After that, efficiency and regulation. So efficiency and regulation of a particular machine, and then characteristics of a machine. Characteristics of a machine, and then based on the characteristics we can have applications. So during this, before going to find out the efficiency, we can go for the testing of machines. Testing of machines. So before going to calculate the efficiency, we can do the testing of machines. These are all common. Suppose if you go for the electrical machines one subject, it is our DC machines. You can see here, this is our syllabus. As per JNT Hyderabad, Unit 1 is DC generators. Yes, Unit 1 is DC generators. Unit 1 is DC generators. Unit 2 is DC motors. And Unit 3 is testing of DC motors. Testing of DC motors. And Unit 4, transformers. Transformers. And Unit 5 is OC and SC tests of transformers. And then three-phase transformer connections and auto transformers also there. In these 5 units, if you study any of 3 units, you can easily pass this electrical machines one subject. If you go for the DC generator, construction, principle of operation, EMF equation, types, all what we discussed, all are common. The construction of DC generator and DC motors both are same. And coming to Unit 3 is the testing of a DC motors. And testing of DC motors means indirect method. So we have an indirect method and direct method and regenerative method, brake test, Schuman's test, Hopkins test. These are all tests to find out the losses, and field test and separation of stray losses in DC motor test. And fourth unit is very easy, that is called the single phase transformer. So that is a single phase transformer. Same again, it is a construction, principle of operation, EMF equation. Okay, this is the construction details, and what are the losses are there, and EMF equation, and the operation of a single phase transformer under no load condition, on load condition, and what are the phasor diagrams, and what is the equivalent circuit, losses and efficiency, regulation, all efficiency, effect of variations of frequency, and supply voltage on iron losses. So as we will teach all these units, and coming to the OC and SC test, sumpner test, and predetermination of efficiency, regulation, auto transformer, and polyphase connections. So 3-phase circuits. For this electrical machines one, we require what are the prerequisite is required for the electrical machines one means basic electrical engineering subject. So BW subject is needed. Means the concepts you studied in first year, those concepts are needed for, or fundamentals are needed for the electrical machines one subject. So this is the introduction of the electrical machines one, and In next video, we will discuss in detail about DC generators. Thank you guys.